Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you the cucumber and almond face pack. This cucumber and almond face mask is really good for your skin whitening if you have some pimple scars on your face, if you want a face glow, if you have pigmentation, if you have spots. If you use continuously this mask, I'm sure all your problems will say to you bye bye. Why this face mask is very effective? Because it has cucumber. It has the antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumber also has vitamin C and folic acid. It is a mild astringent which tightens the pores on your skin, and it's 99% water, so it's hydrate your skin and soothes your skin. As summers are coming in some countries summer are already there, and people if they are not going outside nowadays, but if even you are using this stuff, you still get the heat and your body temperature increases, which damages the skin. Then almond, how it works, because it is rich in vitamin E, it has antioxidants. Almonds exfoliate the skin, so it means if your skin already have the dead particles, it will exfoliate all of them. Because of the vitamin E, it reduces aging and it improves the skin tone. Even if you eat it, there are 1,000 benefits of almonds. And most importantly, they are rich with zinc, and you know that zinc is really good to reduce the acne. It's very easy to make this face pack. You would need 1 tablespoon of ground almond. I have grind them with the skin on, so it doesn't matter if there is a skin or a skin, if there is no skin. So you would need a good 1 teaspoon of almond powder. The second ingredient you need is the cucumber. This is the cucumber juice. You can extract it either by grating them, or after grating the cucumber, just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then squeeze out the juice. Or either you can grind it in the grinder with a little bit of rose water, and you can extract the cucumber juice. I have grated the cucumber with the skin on. It's better if you do with the skin on. So we would need as much as this pack becomes the watery and it sticks on our skin. Just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes after putting the cucumber juice, and then wait, because the almond powder, almond powder soaks all the cucumber water and it will become a bit thicker than this quantity. So you can see after 2 or 3 minutes it has gotten a bit thick. Basically you need the quantity which you can stick on your skin. Apply it on your face, on your hand, on your feet, wherever you want to apply, you can apply it. I'm not going to apply on this hand, so I can show you the before and after result. I will leave this cucumber and almond powder face mask for around 10 minutes or till it gets dry completely, and then I will show you the results. So after 15 minutes I have washed my hand and I have applied lotion obviously on both the hands because they were getting dry, and you can see the difference. It might appear very slightly difference, I don't know, maybe because of the lighting issue, but in person you can clearly see there is a difference. And another thing, all the homemade remedies, they do not work like a magic like you see on different channels, that there is a dramatic difference after the one application. No, you have to apply it at least 3 to 5 days continuously to see the results. Another thing, because almond powder, it exfoliates, so this part of my skin is a bit softer and this one is a bit rough, that I can feel when I touch. So if you like my videos, if you like my channel, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.